Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Ulta haul to share with you guys. Ulta sent out that 20% coupon, and I'm sure if you were like me, you used that pretty quickly when they sent that out, because I was like, yes, there are lots of things I want to get with this coupon. Then they decided they would be like super thoughtful and send us another coupon, and I was like, yes, I need that one as well, because there were still more things that I wanted to purchase. So I do have a little box here full of goodies, so I wanted to share them with you guys, as well as a lot of freebies that I got with the Ulta order that I placed. They had like this giant bag of freebies that you could get, and I was like, I wanted to share it with you guys so that you guys can kind of keep your eye out when you see these freebies, that you can be like, yes, that's when I want to place an order, when I can use a coupon, when maybe you can use some points and then you're going to get all these freebies along with it. That's the best deal. I think Ulta is like superb when it comes to shopping for makeup, in my opinion. You get points for shopping, and then those points turn into dollars. So I just love Ulta. I cannot rave I could rave all day, honestly, about Ulta. I can't. I'm like stuttering over my words because I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So the first thing I picked up is from Boscia. This is the Boscia Konjac Cleansing Sponge with a deep hydration clay. So it says a deeply hydrating sponge for normal to dry skin types. I'm always looking for things that are going to be helpful for my dry skin. So I had not seen it, like, anybody talk about this. So I was like excited to try it out. I don't think it's new. I think it's like an older thing that they've had around for a while, but I'm still excited because I love anything for dry skin. So I'm going to be testing that out to see how it's good, see if it's good. The next thing I picked up is the Boscia Tsubaki Cleansing Oil Gel. You guys know I love things to take my makeup off with that are very easy to do. This is an oil gel though, so typically I like more of like a balm. So we'll have to see if this works out or not, but it comes in a package like this. It's pink, which, I mean, who doesn't like pink? I love pink. So I'm going to smell this. I haven't smelled it yet, so I'm hoping it smells really good. It smells like bubbles, like bubble bath. That's what it reminds me of for some reason. So this says it is a hydrating and antioxidant packed cleansing oil gel formulated to remove impurities and makeup while making skin appear more youthful and protecting the skin's moisture barrier. So I'm excited about that, because definitely for hydration and also for makeup removal, because that could be great. The next thing I picked up is this right here. This is the Boscia Tsubaki. Is it Tsubaki or is it Tsubaki? I think you like drop the T, but I'm not positive. Tsubaki Splash Mask. So again, a mask for dry skin. So it says it's highly concentrated instant deep hydration treatment. So definitely I was on board when I saw it say deep hydration. So again, and it's pink and it's like liquidy. So I've never seen a mask like this where it's like liquidy. Typically a mask is more like a cream, almost like a lotion. So this is really weird. It says a mask splash. So I don't know how to use this thing. It says customize your Tsubaki splash in 2 ways. Mix 1 or 2 pumps with warm water in a basin or bowl and splash onto face for 15 to 20 seconds. Additional pumps may be added for deeper hydration benefits. Pat mixture onto your skin and let it dry. Do not rinse or wipe off. Or you could pat 1 pump directly onto thoroughly wet skin, cleanse, and your tongue-tied. Cleanse face in the shower. Do not rinse or wipe off. So you're not wiping this off. You're technically leaving it on. So it's like a mask that you can just leave on, which is, that's awesome, because I like those type of masks. Then they're really easy. You don't forget like, oh no, I gotta remove this. You just leave it on. The next thing I picked up is a little mask here from Mamonde. I love the Mamonde, like I think it's a water essence is what it's called, I'm pretty sure. This is a Flower Lab Essence mask, and it's in rose. So you guys know I love anything that has the rose scent to it. I really shouldn't have picked up more masks because I have a whole drawer of them, but I love them. Whenever I see a good mask and it's not that bad of a price, I'm like, I'll try that out. I'll try anything. I'm like Mikey. You guys remember like the TV like commercial? It was like, give it to Mikey, he'll eat it. That's me. Give it to Mikey, she'll try it. So the next thing I have is this right here. This is by the brand Bare Republic. This is a mineral sunscreen. So I got this for my boys because we're going on a cruise this summer, and this is a neon blue sunscreen stick. So my youngest one, I think he's really gonna like it. My oldest one's gonna be like, I don't think so. So either way, this is I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna like ruin it. But anyway, it's a blue sunscreen. It does have SPF 50 in it. So it says it's water resistant for 80 minutes, free of active chemical sunscreen. So he'll have to try that out. I'm hoping he'll put it mostly on his nose because he gets really freckled up when he gets like a lot of sun during the summer. And that way there I can always tell when he's in the sun too much. So hopefully he'll use that on his nose to kind of protect it. I'm trying to move past the freebies first. The next thing is from NYX. This is the NYX California Beaming. This is a bronzer. So I have not tried this. I don't know where my little opener is. Let me find one. Okay, we have a little opener here. They always like tape everything up, which I do appreciate, but it's really hard to open sometimes. So here is the bronzer. This is a giant pan. This is a really big size. I don't know how many ounces this is. It doesn't say on the back here, I don't think. I can't find it. I don't know. It's got a 12-month expiration on it. So let's give her a little swatch here. Hopefully it's not too orange. Oh, that's really pretty actually. That's a really pretty bronzer. Ooh, I'm excited about that one. So I can look bronze without being in the sun. So that makes me happy because you guys know I'm trying not to get like a whole lot of sun. I just want a little bit like sun-kissed and that's it. Then the next thing I picked up is this right here by NYX. This is the Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. So it's non-comedogenic. So basically it's not going to block your pores. So it's a skin tinted veil. Does this have SPF in it? No. I have the shade True Beige Buff. So I'm going to open this up. Hopefully I don't cut the tube itself. That would be my luck. Alright, so I'm going to see what it looks like. See what the shade is. It says it's 8 hour, what? Up to 8 hour hydration. Alright, we'll put that. That looks like it might be a good match for now, but I'm not sure it's going to be a good match for summer, but that's where the bronzer will come in handy. So here's what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the IT Cosmetics CC cream, except for it's not as good coverage. It's definitely more of like a BB type of formula, so, but it looks really nice on the skin. It's not accentuating anything so far, so I'll definitely have to give that a shot onto my face and see how it works. You guys let me know if you want to, like a full review on these things, because these are newer products from NYX that I wanted to test out. Let me put this away before I end up cutting myself. Then I have another thing, making sure I'm looking at the right things that I purchased, because there's lots of big, even big freebies in here. So we have the NYX Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh. This is 8 hours of hydration again. It's a multitasking spray. So I did give this one spray when I purchased it, but I was like, honestly, the sprayer to it's not that great. It feels like very saturating, so it's going... And it's got a little bit of a weird smell to it, but I'll definitely try it out more. Prime Skin for makeup. It minimizes the appearance of pores. Sets your makeup so makeup doesn't smudge after spritzing. Helps makeup last throughout the day. Skin looks refreshed. Skin looks rested. Gives skin a dewy glow. Skin feels smoother. Feels hydrating. Doesn't dry out your skin. Basically, they said like the same thing there 5 times. It's hydrating. It doesn't dry out your skin. It looks it's funny. They like kept on kind of almost repeating themselves. So they probably just ran out of things to tell us what it was going to do and was like, yeah, let's just find other ways to say that. So basically, that's what I think. Okay, the other thing I picked up is, this is a really big one. I picked up this set of curlers from T3. So my hair is pretty short right now. That's fine. I can still curl it. I would like to still curl it up. And these are have always been on like my wish list to purchase. So these are the volumizing hot rollers. So I'll show you guys what they look like maybe. Can I open them? Yep, we gotta use a little cutter thing again though here. So we'll just cut this open quick. And I'll show you what they look like. These have like really good reviews as well, and they're really pricey for curlers, but I really wanted them. I love the T3 brand. The T3 like curling iron is one of my favorites. So here's what it looks like. It comes in this nice pouch here for you, and then you get your little pamphlet, and then your curlers are down into here. I think this comes right out. I would hope you wouldn't leave it inside of here. Maybe you do. I don't think you do. No, you don't. So you pull this out, and then there's your curlers. These have like the velvet type of feeling on them, so it's going to hold into your hair pretty good. But then it also comes with some clips, so you do have clips here as well to hold the curlers in. So I'm excited about this because I want to try it out, and these look like they're not going to be too big for my hair. Like I can still use these, I think. So maybe we'll try them together. Maybe I'll end up looking like a fool with online, because I'm sure that I'm not going to be that good at it because it's been a long time since I've used actual curlers like that. And then the last thing that I purchased is this right here. This is the Tanning Mitt by Vita Liberata. I am, like I said, going to be trying to do like more self tanning and bronzing and things like that, because I want to look like I've been in the sun, but I don't want to actually be in the sun. So I'm going to try this out to see if it helps so I don't have orange hands, because that is really hard to get off. So now we're on to some freebies. Actually, no, there should be one more thing in here I purchased. Yep. So I purchased this as well. This is the Kate Spade In Full Bloom Eau de Parfum. So I wanted to try this out, and I did not want to buy the full size because I was like, look, I have tons of perfume. I don't need any more full sizes, so I decided to get this little small one here. So this smells really nice, but this is not a roller ball. This is an actual spritzer, which is nice because I like this style better. So I'm excited to have this because I do like Kate Spade perfumes, but I wanted to try the small one out just in case I didn't like it. So with that purchase, I got a free Kate Spade set. So this little set, 4-piece set, came with that perfume. So any perfume purchased from Kate Spade, you got this little set here, which is awesome because this is going to be great for traveling. It does have like a little handle on the top of here. And then this is plastic and clear. Then you get 3 little colored different cases in here. Now these don't say Kate Spade or anything on them, but they're just little cases. So you've got a blue one, an orange one, and a pink one. So they look very summer-like as well. So this will be a great one for traveling. So I'm excited. And for free, count me in. Okay, the next thing I got for free is, I didn't buy these, I don't think. These are the Clinique Take the Day Off Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. Maybe I did purchase these because I wanted to take these with us on the cruise because I wanted a small pack and I knew these were good for my skin. I think I purchased those. So the next thing I got for free is Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam. So this came with the mask that I purchased from Mamonde. So this is a little rose petal spa oil to foam. I'm not sure what this is for. Assuming it's like a wash. Add an oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. So yeah, it's a cleanser. So I'm excited about that. Then with the Vita Liberata little mitt, so I purchased, this came with it for free. So this is the Vita Liberata Self-Tanning Gradual Tanning Lotion. So I don't know if this has a shade to it, but it says for body and face. So free lotion with your tanning mitt. Why not? Heck yeah. Then we have this right here. This is the Vichy Eau Thermal Minerals. I'm not sure. I think it's just a water spray basically. Mineralizing thermal water. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. I have no idea what that is. Then we have something from Clinique. We have the Clinique Dramatically Different Lipstick, and this is in the shade Raspberry Glace or Glace. That came with the, yes, that came with the Clinique wipes. So here is the little lipstick. It's a teeny tiny one. So here's what it looks like. It's really pretty actually though. It's got the little hydration thing in the middle. So we'll have to give that a shot and see how good it is. Okay, and the next thing is a little freebie bag. This was like with every purchase. I'm not sure like what all's in here, honestly. I have no idea. I think it's all perfumes. So we have the Michael Kors Sparkling Blush. That one's new. I haven't seen that one yet. Then we have the dropping stuff. Then we have Prada, this is Carbon, Luna Rosa. I don't know if that's a women's or a men's fragrance. I'm not positive. And then we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Like everybody's tried that before, right? Then we have the Aqua de Joya. This is the Eau de Parfum. So this is just the Aqua de Joya. And then we have a, don't forget Mother's Day little card. And then we have a Calvin Klein Women perfume. So here's a Calvin Klein perfume, little sample. Then we have a Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. This is a mineralizing water hyaluronic acid. I don't know what that is. A lot of these are just samples that I'm going to be throwing into my Sample Sunday baskets because then I can try them out. The next one is, oh, that's my T3 thing. I'm like, what is that? Then we have this giant bag right here. This is all filled with freebies. So when you purchase a certain dollar amount, you got this giant bag of freebies, and they had a couple you could choose from. I chose the pink because it looks like summertime. So it does have like a little feather on the side of here too. That's cute. So it's got a little feather there. And then I'll show you guys everything that comes out of here. So the first thing is from Lancome. This is the Lancome Blackest, no, what is this called? Definicils. So this is the Lancome Definicils. I think it's just a mascara. Yeah, it's a mascara, high definition mascara. So we have a little mascara to try out. Then we have the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Here's a little tiny one. So I've already tried these. Anything that I've already tested or I have my own personal full size of it, I'll throw it into my Sample Sunday giveaway. So be on the lookout for that as well. Then we have the Hemp's Original Herbal Conditioner for damaged and color treated hair. Yes, this is 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. So I can definitely use that. My hair can definitely use something for hydration. Then we have the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner. Ooh, I've tried the mascara. I don't think I've tried the liner, so I'm excited about trying that out. It says naturally pretty, eye-opening, and superhero. Okay. Then we have the Tula Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. Not heard of that either. Then we have the Sweet Spot Vanilla Blossom Gentle Wash. Oh, this is for your downstairs area. This is pH balance, gynecologist recommended, made for your sweet spot. That's funny. Okay, the next thing is Kate Spade Live Colorfully. This is a beautiful perfume. I own the full size in this, so this will go into my little sample Sunday giveaway pile. Then we have the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. So this is a really good protector for your hair. It does 10 different things for your hair. So this is really nice size. This is a 2 ounce. So this is a decent size sample. Then we have the Philosophy. This is the Peeling Mousse. What? I've never heard of this. It's a mousse exfoliant. Well, that's interesting. I've not tried this for sure, so I'm excited about trying that. Then we have the Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer. I haven't tried that either, so another cool thing I can try out. Then we have the Living Proof Blowout. This is a styling and finishing spray, so a lot of Living Proof stuff smells peppery, so I'm hoping... No, it doesn't smell like pepper. That makes me happy. The next thing I have in here is a Philosophy Fresh Cream and Warm Cashmere perfume. I purchased this over the winter because my friend Susan had told me how good it was, and I was like, I have to have it. So I got it, and I do love it, so I already have that. Then we have the They're Real Mascara. Then we have the what is this? Juice Beauty Phytopigments Illuminating Primer. Ooh, I like illumination. Then I have a Perfect Pair eyeshadow duo from Ulta Beauty. So there's 2 different eyeshadows in here. Then we have something from Kula. This is the Kula Makeup Setting Spray with Sunscreen. It doesn't say how much sunscreen's in here though, does it? Yes, SPF 30. I was like, wait a minute, it doesn't even tell you. Then we have the Anastasia Lip Gloss in the shade Saint Tropez. I don't know if I have this one or not. If I don't, then I'll keep it for my sample Sunday stash. But if I do, then I'll pass it along to you guys. Then I have a Sweet Like Candy perfume by Ariana Grande. This smells really, really good. Then we have the DP Argan Oil Therapy. That's a nice size bottle too. It's glass. Then we have the Jane Iredale Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain. Ooh. It doesn't look like a cheek stain. It looks like super pale. Not sure how that's going to work, but either way, that's what it says. And then we have 2 more products in this little bag. Sorry guys, my camera cut off. It was overheating and I'm like, dude, I only have 2 more things to show you guys. So we also have the First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I love this. This is really nice. I've tried it though, so you guys know what's going to happen to that one. Then we have the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It has 12.5 vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. I think I've tried this, but I'm not positive. So it looks familiar, so I think I have. But anyway, that is everything in my Ulta haul here, guys. Now you see like all the samples you can get for like absolutely free. You guys see how I kind of like stockpile my sample baskets for you guys and for me to test out. That's basically how I do it. I wait until they have like a good sale going on, some good freebies, so that way there I can get kind of both all in one. So let me know, what do you think of this haul? What do you think of the samples that were in the basket, or in the bag? Not the basket. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.